Good morning, my dear students. Om Asato Ma Satgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. वक्रतुंडा महाकाया सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवो सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. ओम शांति. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to take a class on English for grade 1, that is class 1, English lesson number 3, in the park. In the park. Okay, for grade 1. So, in the park, you can see many playing equipments, seesaw, slide, big trees, there is a garden, okay. There is a pool, so many things you can see in the garden, right? Here in this lesson, we can see the title is In the Park. What all we can see in the park, what all we can do in the park, what all we can enjoy in the park. So that all we are going to learn in this lesson. That you usually do that, right? You usually do that. You visit to the park, okay? See many plants. You can meet many friends there, okay? You can see many trees, okay? You used to play in the park, right? With your friends, and you take your pets, like pet dogs and etc. Right? You usually do, but you exactly don't know which type of plants you see, the names of the plants, okay? Like what all you can see that you can't able to describe them, okay? So now by this we can able to describe about the park. Let's know about the more detail in about park, okay? So here let's start. Color the picture given below. So just color the picture given below. So here you can see the park. Here you can see the park. So how the tree looks, how the slide looks, how the kids are playing, and the color given to the kids are men and women, right? So like this, just see the park and color accordingly and nicely, okay? Color it. This is the activity for you, homework, right? This activity for you, homework, okay? Will you do this coloring activity? The plants color, grass color, land color, slide color, or kids color, children color, so that you put different, okay? You can see the park here. Accordingly, you color. Okay? Right? So, let's read. Let's read the lesson. Okay? Here, there is a, T-H-R-E there, I-S is a big park. Big park. There is a big park next to the house. Next to the house where Rusha lives. Where Rusha lives. What it means? ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ ಮನೆ ಸಮೀಪ? ಋಷಾನ್ ಮನೆ ಸಮೀಪ. ಋಷಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾಳಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಸಮೀಪ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. There is a big park next to the house where Rusha lives. T-H-R-E there. I-S is a, B-I-G big, P-A-R-K park, N-E-X-T next, T-O-2, T-H-E the, H-O-U-S-E house, W-H-E-R-E where, Rusha, R-U-S-H-A, write down this also, R-U-S-H-A, Rusha, okay, live, L-I-V-E-S, lives, okay, there is a big park next to the house where Rusha lives. Okay? She wants She wants. She wants means ಅವಳು ಪಾರ್ಕ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತಾಳೆ, right? She wants to go to the park. She wants to go to the park. ಪಾರ್ಕ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ, ಬಯಸ್ತಾಳೆ. She, S-H-E, she. W-A-N-T-S, wants. T-O-2, G-O, go. T-O-2, T-H-E, the. P-A-R-K, park. She wants to go to the park. Okay. Mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Mother andre amma. May I go to the park? You may ask to your parents, like you may ask your father, you may ask your mother, you may ask to your grandmother, grandfather, you may ask to your brother or sister, may I take this? May I come in? May I go there? May I go to the park? May I go to play? May I read this? May I take this? Like this. This is the framing the questions, forming the questions. Interrogative sentence. Mother, comma, may I go to the park? Ask Risha. Risha asks, may I go to the park? Who asks? May I go to the park? Who asks? Risha asks. To her mother. To her mother. May, M-A-Y, may. I, G-O, I means Nanu. Go to the park. Go to the park. Ask Risha. What Risha asks? Mama, mother, may I go to the park? May I go to the park? Okay. Right. Why do you want to go to the park? W-H-Y, why? D-O, do. Y-O-U, you. W-A-N-T, want. T-O-2, G-O, T-O, to. T-H-E, the. Park, Risha. Why do you want to go to the park? ನೀ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ? Why do you want to go to the park? Risha asks. Risha? Why do you want to go to the park? Risha? Ask mother. Ask her mother. Whose mother? Risha's mother. Her means Risha here. Okay? Why do you want to go to the park, Risha? Question mark. Means question. She is asking. Ask mother. Ask her mother. Her means here Risha. Risha says, mother, the park is very beautiful. The park is very beautiful. T-H-E, the. P-R-K, park again. I-S is B-E-R-Y, very beautiful. ಬಹಳ ಅಂದ ಚಂದವಾಗಿದೆ ಪಾರ್ಕ್, ನೀಟಾಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್, ಬಹಳ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ವೆರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright? Is very beautiful. Alright? So you have to write and practice these hard words, these new words. Okay? And spell, read and write and pronounce. Okay? Pronounce properly. If you spell properly, you can pronounce properly. Right? Please. Please. P-L-E-A-S, please. T-E-L-L, tell. M-E, me. About. A-B-O-U-T, about. T-H-E, the. Park. P-A-R-K, park, Risha. Please tell me about the park, Risha. ಅಮ್ಮ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳು ರಿಷಾ, ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾನ ಹೇಳು, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಹೂ ಆಸ್ಕ್ says mother. Says mother, please tell me about the park, comma, Risha. Says mother. Says mother. Risha says, mother, comma, there are, T-H-E-R-E, there are, A-R-E-R, big trees of neem and mango around the park. ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ನೀಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇವಿನ ಗಿಡ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾವಿನ ಗಿಡ, ಬೇವಿನ ಗಿಡ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾವಿನ ಗಿಡ ಇದೆ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ. ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಏನಿದೆ? ಬೇವಿನ ಗಿಡ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಗಿಡ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಋಷಾ ಸೈಸ್, ಮದರ್, there are big trees of neem and mango around the park. Around the park. There is a garden. There is a garden in the center of the park. There is a garden in the center of the park. Right? The park has rose, petunia and hibiscus plants. Okay? The park has rose, petunia and hibiscus plants. See, the park has ROS rose, PETUNIA, petunia and hibiscus, HIBISCUS, hibiscus plants. There is also a small pool. There is also ALS also. There is also a small 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 pool, 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 right, at the one end of the park. At the one end of the park. Okay. Ducks ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾತುಕೋಳಿ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಬಾತಕ್ಕೆ ಡಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪೂಲ್. ಪೂಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಕ್ಸ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೂಲ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಪೂಲ್ ಅಂತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಪೂಲ್ at the one end of the park. Ducks swim in the pool. My friends also come to the park with their pets to play. Ducks like this. See here, these are the ducks. This is called as a pool. Here are the trees, mango tree and the neem trees around the park. Friends come there with their pets to play. Pet animals, dogs, puppy, all are called pet animals. Right. So there is also a small pool at the one end of the park. Ducks swim in the pool. My friends also come to the park with their pets to play. ಅವರ ಸಾಕು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಂತ. ಓಕೆ. ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳೆಯರು, ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ವಿತ್ ದರ್ ಪೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ. ರೈಟ್. ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೆಳೆಯರು ಅವ್ರ ಪೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಂಗತ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಮ್ಮಗ. ಓಕೆ. ಮದರ್ ಸೈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. Mother says, all right, you may go to the park. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗಿ ಬಾ, ಪಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಹೋಗು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Mother says, all right, you may go to the park, but be careful. ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ, ಸ್ಕಿಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಡ, ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಇಡು, ಸೀಸಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಇಡು, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರು. ಓಕೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. But be careful and come back soon. ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಟ ಆಡು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಬಾ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮ ನಾ ಹೊರಗೆ ಆಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಆಯ್ತು ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಡು, ಬೇಗ ಬಾ ಮನೆಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಮದರ್ ಸೈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ALRIGHT, all right, you may go to the park, but be careful, 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 but be careful and come back soon. Sure mother, thank you so much. ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ, ನಾನು ಬೇಗ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಹಳ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. Says Rusha and she runs to the park. ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ, ನಾನು ಬೇಗ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಹೌದಾ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು says Rusha and she runs to the park. ಅಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ, ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ನೀವು ಹೋಗು, ಬಟ್ ಬಹಳ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರು ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಬೇಗ ಬಾ, ಮನೆಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಬಾ. ರೈಟ್, ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ, ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸೇಸ್ ಋಷಾ. ಅಂಡ್ ಶಿ ರನ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಓಡೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಓಡೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ in the park about the Risha, and this whole conversation between her mother and Risha and her mother. Okay, so let's check. Next to the house where Risha lives, there is a park, school, library, park. There is a park. So this is the park. You can see. You saw, right? We have visited to zoo. You have visited to the park, big park. There so many trees are there. There is so much activity, fun activity. There is so many playing equipments are there. Seesaw, slides, swing. Okay, right? So these are you are going to see in the park. And the green grass, and big plants there. Tall plants, neem plant, mango plant, like many ashoka plants. So many plants you can see there, right? And there is a pool. There is a pool where ducks are swimming. And Risha's friends and some people are walking on the track. That's called, some people are walking on the track. That's called walking track. Here you can see big trees. Around the park. And here is the walking track, and some people are walking on it. Okay. And here is a pool. Some ducks are swimming in the pool. And here are Risha's friends. They come along with the pets. They are playing with it. They came along with the pets. They are playing with it. Okay, this is the story. This is the conversation between Risha and her mother about the park. Shall I read you? Shall I read one more time? Okay, I will just concentrate and read along with me. Okay, there. This is called there. There. There is a big park next to the house where Risha lives. There is a big ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಪಾರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮೀಪ, ಮನೆ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಋಷಾಸ್ ಹೌಸ್. house where Risha lives. She wants, there is a big park next to the house where Risha lives. She wants to go to the park. Mother, may I go to the park? Ask Risha. May I come in? May I go there? May I play? May I eat some food? Okay, may I take this? Kedtiralla, that is one way of asking, taking permission. Right? Mother, right? Go to the park. Mother, may I go to the park? Ask Risha. Why do you want to go to the park? Why do you want to go to the park? Why do you want to go to the park, Risha? Again, Mama ask, ನೀವು ಪಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ? Correct. Her mother, ask her mother. ಯಾರು? Risha's mother. Ask her mother. Risha says, Mother, the park is very beautiful. ಬಹಳ ಅಂದ ಚಂದ ಇದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಪಾರ್ಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. Mother, the park is very beautiful. The park is very beautiful. Okay? When Risha says so, mother asks, please tell me about the park. Mother asks, please tell me about the park. Risha says mother. Right? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಋಷಾ ಸೇಸ್ ಮದರ್. ಮದರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ ನಂಗೆ, ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಋಷಾ ಸೇಸ್ ಮದರ್, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ big trees of neem and mango around the park. Rusha says, mother, there are big trees of neem and mangoes around the park. There is a garden in the center of the park. There is a garden in the center of the park. The park has rose, petunia and hibiscus plants. The park alli enide petunia, rose, petunia and hibiscus plants. Hibiscus gottalla, rose gottu, petunia gottalla nimge, right? So there is also a small pool. There is also a small pool at the end of the park. ಒಂದು ಕೊನೆಗೆ, ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪೂಲ್ ಇದೆ. There is also a small pool at the one end of the park. One end of the park. There is a park. There is a park. There is also a park, a small pool at the one end of the park. Ducks swim in the pool. Ducks swim in the pool. My friends also come to the park with their pets to play. My friends also come to the park with their pets to play. Okay. Next. Mother says, all right. Mother says, all right, you may go to the park. Mother says, all right, you may go to the park, but be careful. But be careful and come back soon. But be careful and come back soon. Sure, mother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, says Risha, and she runs to the park. Okay, she runs to the park. Right? This is all the conversation between Risha and her mother. This is the park. You can see the big trees around the park, and some people are walking on the walking track in the park, and there is a pool, one end of the park, and there is a garden in the center, and there is a pool. Some ducks are swimming into the pool, and Risha's friends come to the park with their pets to play. Right? This is all the conversation between Risha and her mother. It's all about the park. Okay? Hope you understood this lesson. And let's go to the answer time. Let's answer. Hope you understood this lesson. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Rusha wants to go to hospital, garden, park, school, library. Where she want to go? She want to go to the park. Rusha wants to go to the park. Okay. Dash and dash are big trees. Dash and dash are big trees. Neem and mango are big trees. Neem and mango are big trees. The center of the park has a garden. The center of the park has a garden. The center of the park has a garden. What is in the center of the park? Garden. Dash and dash grown in the garden. Petunia and hibiscus grown in the garden. Okay. Dash are swimming in the pool. Dash are swimming in the pool. Dash are swimming in the pool. Ducks are swimming in the pool. My friends also come to the park with their pets to play. Dash to play, pets to play. My friends also come to the park with their dash to play, pets to play. Okay? Right. Mother asks Rusha to come. Mother asks Rusha to be careful, dash, and come back, dash. Okay? Mother asks Rusha to be careful and to come back soon. Bega ba. ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜಾಗೃತಿಯಾಗಿರು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಗ ಬಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. And here let's explore, is it good to have a park around your house? Yes or no? Yes. Alright? Then why? Find out why and tell your teacher, do you have a park near to your house or not? Okay? You need to write word. Yes, we must have the park. Why means, so here only in this lesson we have came to know many things. There are big trees are there. Big trees give us a cool breeze. They give us air. Okay? We will go to the park to play. By playing outside our house, outside games, okay? Outside games, our mood will be good. We will stay healthy and happy, and we will be refreshing, right? Playing outside will be the very refreshing, and physical activity will give us a strength. Okay? It will give us our body fit and fine. Okay? So that any one sentence you write down here. Okay? Let's learn new words. Read the following sentences from the lesson. Mother, may I go to the park? Please tell me about the park, Vishal. Sure, mother. Thank you so much. Okay. Here, in the lesson, we studied. We have learned. Like, may I go to? May I go to? Please. Thank you. Why so? If you want to take something, then you need to ask, may I? May I? May I go there? May I take this? May I play? May I write here? May I read this? Like that. You need to have the permission from the others. Right? Please. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೋ. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೊಡು. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡು. Okay? That is called please. When you need something, so you need to say please. Right? Sure, mother. Thank you so much. Why thanks? If you receive something, the Shusha got permission to go outside and play in the park. So she has to submit her gratitude. Thanks. Right? That is called thanks. Right? We have learnt in the lesson these words. Let's see why we used to and how we used to use those words. Look at the words in blue. These words are called polite words. Politeness. That will show you that will describe your politeness, right? These words are called polite words. We should use these words often as applicable. While speaking to other people, some more examples of polite words are given below. Good morning. When you meet someone, or your teacher, or your parents, or your neighbors, or any guest, we need to greet them. Way of greeting. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Right? Good morning, uncle. Good morning, auntie. Please welcome. Right? Good morning, grandpa. Good morning, grandma. Good morning, mama. Good morning, papa. Like this. So this is good morning. You are welcome. You are welcome. Right? You are welcome. When you say thank you, so the opposite one says you are welcome. Or when your guest visits to your home, please come in. Just please welcome. Like this you need to say. Sorry, if you hurt someone by mistake, you need to say sorry. Say sorry. If you hurt someone by mistake, you need to say sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Right? See, if someone is standing by the way, right, you need to say, excuse me, please leave me there. Leave me the space there. Excuse me, let me go. Excuse me. Excuse me. Please, may I find a way? Like that. Okay? Right. So here, write in the bubbles the polite words that you should say in each of the following cases. Choose the words from the box. May I? Thank you. Sorry. Good morning. So here is a sentence. When someone gives you something on your birthday, your friend or your neighbor, your classmate or your school friends or someone will bring you some gifts, then what that time you need to say? What you need to say? Thank you. Right? When you receive a pencil from your friend, what you need to say? Thank you. When your friend gives you a chocolate, then what you need to say? Thank you. Right? So, this is thank you. Alright? This is thank you. We need to say the thank you. This is a very polite way of behaving, polite way of living. Right? When you want something from someone, when you want something from someone, you need to ask, may I take this? May I get this? May I go there? So like that. Okay. Next is here. When you see your teacher in the morning, when you see your teacher in the morning, you need to say good morning. The morning you need to say good morning. In the afternoon you need to say good afternoon. At the evening you need to say good evening. At the night you need to say good night. Okay. When you see your teacher in the morning, you need to say good morning teacher. Good morning. Right? When you hurt someone by mistake, hold your ears and say sorry. Sorry. That's a better way of being politeful. Alright? Will you be a polite kids? Yes, I know you all are very polite students. Alright? Let me move on to the next concepts. Here is, let's learn the sounds. Read these words aloud. These words have a short I sound. Pin, bin, tin, bib, nib, fin. Right? Pin, bin, tin, bib, nib, fin. Right? These are the short sound of I. Pin, bin, tin, bib, nib and fin. Right? So these are called short vowel sound of I. Now here in the second part, read the words given below. Write the sound with short I sound. Write the word with short I sound in the space provided. Here the space is provided. Read the group of words, set of words. In that you need to find the short I sounded words. Cup, ball, kit. Short I sound in this. Right here. Cap, dig. Short I sound is here, dig. Fat, tub, big. Light, short I sound here, big. Tree, fall, pit. P-I-T, pit. Write on pit here. Pup, sit. Sit right down here. Top. Alright? Wherever you found the short I sounded words, then you need to write in the box. Right? Is that clear? Okay. Here are some fruits, some vegetables. You need to name them. Here are forming sentences are there. Then the discussion is there. Listening and speaking. So what is this? This is an apple. What is this? This is an orange. Okay. Alright. What oranges help us and how apples look like. So like this. These are. Which is the apple? This is an apple. Which is the mango? This is a mango. Which are bananas? These are bananas. These are bananas. These are bananas. What are these? These are grapes. What is this? What is this? This is a tomato. This is a tomato. What is this? This is an apple. What is this? This is a carrot. What is this? This is a radish. So like this we need to have a speaking and conversation skills. Okay? Write down? Okay? Right. Tell the class which is your favorite fruit and vegetables and why. You need to say, we need to discuss with your brother or sister or with your family, right? Let's learn grammar. Let's learn grammar. Okay? Grammar. G-R-A-M-M-A-R. Grammar. One, many. One, many. We have studied in UKG this one and many. The same thing is repeated here. Read the following sentences from the lesson. There is a big park next to the house where Risha lives. A big park, a notebook, a animal, a plant means only one. There is a garden in the center of the park. There is a garden in the center of the park. A garden, one garden. Ducks swim in the pool. Ducks means many ducks. Many ducks, not only one duck, many ducks swim in the pool. My friends, not only a friend, my friends, many friends also come with their pets to play. Their pets to play. Friends, pets. Not only one pet, many pets. Not only one friend, many pets, many friends. Not only one duck, many ducks. Okay? Right. Look at the words in the pink. Look at the words in the pink here. Right? Look at the pinks in the words. In the first two sentences, the words indicates one park and one garden. In the last two sentences, the words indicated many dogs, many friends, and many pets. Look at the examples below. Look at the examples below. One book, many books. One pencil, many pencils. One bike, many bikes. One cycle, many cycles. Okay? Like this. One animal, many animals. One apple, many apples. Alright? So here, write O for one and M for many. Write O for one and M for many. Here, many crayons, many. Here, one tree, O. Here, many ties, M. Here, one teddy bear, write O. Here, birds, many birds, you can say M. Here, only a dog, in it say one dog. Many crayons, one tree, many ties, one teddy bear, many birds, one dog. Right? So this is the activity for you. And here are some more activities for you. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. I love my pet or pets, pet dog. I love my pet dog, not pet's dog. Okay, I have only a pet dog, so that I have my pet dog. My pet, PT, not pets, dog. There are many trees. Of course, many means trees. There are many trees around my house. Around my house. Alright? Two cat or cats? Cats. Two cats are playing. Baalidu andre cats. Yes, last yes ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. Yes. Right? Pens. Pencil, pencils. Cycle, cycles. Okay? Mobiles. Right? Books, like that. Two means many, more than one. Two cats are playing. My mother bought a gift. Only a gift. A gift. My mother bought a gift for me. There are 3 apples, not apple. There are 3 apples in the basket. There are many flowers, not flower. There are many flowers in the tree. I am reading a book. I am reading a book, not books. A book. Right? There is a park, not parks. There is a park. There is a park near my house. Near my house. Okay? So read and do this activity. This is like a one and many. Just simply note downing in your textbook and writing in a notebook doesn't make any sense. You have to understand these concepts. You have to understand these concepts. Okay? Most of the people commit mistakes while talking. Okay? This is your very early age of learning a language. So try to understand each and every concept thoroughly with full of concentration. Okay? Do more activity. Pencil, marbles, kites, mangoes, right? Apples, cats, dogs, like that. one many like that. I have many birds. I saw many birds. I saw a bird. I saw a bird. Okay, like this. I ate many apples. He ate only an apple. Right? Now, bhal apple tinda ta onde tinda. Right? I can see many coconuts there in the tree. I can see many oranges in the tree. Okay? I can see only a bird sitting on the tree. Like this, you need to speak. Right? Clear? So, let's write sentences. Look at the picture given below. Write 3 sentences about it. This is the duck. It swims in the water. Okay? Most of the ducks are in white in colors. Okay? And ducks egg ones are called ducklings. Okay? So like that you write down 3 sentences. Right? That you take down homework and complete it. Values and life skills. Your parents always tell you to play in the park every day for some time. Why do you think they say so? This is the value and life skills. Healthy living. Playing outside, outdoor games will make you physically healthy and fit and active. Your mind will be fresh because you are playing in the outside, sunlight, air, and playing makes you the muscles activity. You are going to do so much of activity, right? Physical activity. That physical activity makes you more stronger, more happier, more healthier. Alright? This is because you are going to play with the swings, seesaw, slides, etc. Okay? That will keep you healthy. That's why your parents says go out and play. That will make you happy and healthy. Alright? So next is look at the pictures. At the picture given below, circle with a crayon of your choice the thing that is good, that is odd. Right? Look at the picture given below. Circle with a crayon of your choice, any crayon of your choice, the thing that is odd. Here in the park, you can see boys are playing in the seesaw. Bench is there, playing in the swing. The pool is there. Trees you can see. But here at the same time you can see the computer and computer table. Computer and computer tables are placed in the garden? No, right? This one you feel or just circle it. Just circle it. This is a fun time. So this is a lesson all about the park and conversation between Rusha and her mother. Okay? Read the lesson very carefully. Try to understand the meaning of each and every word. Try to understand the meaning of each and every sentence. Okay? And try to focus the words and words of politeness. Okay? That will help you a politeful living. Right? And try to understand the concepts of grammar. Okay guys? Okay children? Hope you understood this lesson thoroughly. I wish you to read better, understand better, work more. Just writing in your notebook, writing in your textbook doesn't make any sense. We people are just watching it, just looking at your handwriting and the spellings, just putting the rights. But at the end of the day, these lessons are meant you to know the language, know the conversation, know the polite words, know the grammar, know about the park, know about the many things. What will be there in the park? What are the trees, big trees, small trees, okay, small plants, okay, ducks, pool, or some people are walking on the track. So like this, we are going to learn a lot of things in and around us. Simultaneously, we will be getting more familiar to know about the language. Alright? So that will help you in better conversation skills. Okay? So just take down this seriously. work on it, read it, and talk more with your family, friends, with your teachers, and question more, so that will help you to understand the concept thoroughly. Okay? Hope you guys understood this lesson number 3, in the park. Okay? So shall I wind up here? Take care. Till then, take care. Meet you in the next session. Bye.